This way they'll have the video of the whole thing. There's the inside. Stainless steel clad is my understanding. Turn that sucker on. All right, so it's on now, and as I understand it, if we open this, it stops spinning. Okay.
And then if we each push a button, it would start.
Yeah, okay, let's try it. Go ahead.
Oh,
Well, now let's do it. Okay, so there it is in action. All right, I'm taking my, and then down below that's the exhaust, and we'll come around. And that's where the powder comes out.
So you open that.
You open that and everything comes out.
And you can see the opening inside.
Right, right. Okay. We just haven't, there it is, now it's actually open. So it's on, it's running, but we don't have any steam attachment, so as long as they don't need a steam attachment, we're all right. Okay, very good.
It works perfect.
It does.
China used